Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you how Python can read image files and render the image file on your output. To do that, we import the tkinter, and then in the tkinter we need to make the tk objects. And then one thing that we need to do here is, in order to read the image files, we can use top level objects. Of course, we need to use canvas. Canvas can be on that top rather than root, and the size can be 900 and height will be 400, and then we can use this canvas object. So let's call it CL, and then CL should be packed, and we need to pick image. If it is a GIF and PNG files, then photo image class is used, where there is a keyword called file, and bring that file here. Right now file is here. We have PNG files, GIF, and JPEG files. So let's try it with this the PNG files. The path can be copied and pasted to here, and I'm going to double backslash, and finally the file name copied, pasted here, and PNG. And then in Canvas, there is a create underscore image method. That method takes a parameter. First parameter is XY coordinator, which is the place where the top left corner of image can be in place. That is upper left corner. And then image file as a keyword, bring that pick. Use anchor. Anchor is northwest, therefore that can be on top, upper top left. And then finally, main loop, and save it. Enter. Then we have that icon, right? And if we use this for example, another smaller size of files, which is a JPEG, to do here no, not JPEG, GIF. JPEG is a little different. So save it and run it. So we have Grand Canyon images, okay? So GIF and PNG files, okay, to read in, right? What about JPEG? Our photos, digital cameras can produce the photos in JPEG. For JPEG, we need to import one more library from PIL, import two modules, image and image TK. Okay, and then here the picture should have image.open, and this should be pick, and I am going to im, and then this open method doesn't need this keyword, simply the file location expression, path expression. And then for JPEG files, we need to use image.tk photo image objects. So image.tk dot photo image, that takes the image file that we just read, and we call it pic. That is object of that picture, so that'll be rendered here. What we do a little more than JPEG or PNG files here is that we need to open the file and then convert it to photo images. That photo image can be drawn here. So let's try to run it. Okay, right now it can not. Oh, image should be image. Oh, we didn't change it yet. So we need to change it to JPEG.jpg. Run it. As you can see here, this is a little bit of the image. Probably my JPEG, the size of a JPEG image is a lot bigger than that, right? Here, 48 for GIF files and 319. Here, 1,600. So this is a big. So you can increase this, or you can downsize it. The way that you can downsize. First of all, let me see the width and height of that image. Print WNH. This is the size of that. Okay. So width is 5,000 and 3,000 height. So the canvas size is 900 and 400. So smaller, right? So thing that we need to do is we need to make it thumbnail size, and then let's put there 400 and 500 by 400. Okay, so save it and run. Okay, here this thumbnail takes one parameter, which is both together width and height, both together in tuple formats. Okay, and then we run it. This is previous ones. Yeah, so this photo can appear in the size, depending upon the size that you put here. If you want to put this a little smaller, 300 and 200, and run it, then you will have smaller size. All right.